Hey fellas, I have the old Dewalt tool Milwaukee wrench, and the problem is not big. Okay, so yeah, why is it like that before? The problem is the customer stated cannot be turned to the reverse, and I can see that when I press the switch was a little bit down, so it cannot be pressed. Now it can be pressed, so basically I think it will be needed to clean something here. What we have here, we have some dirt here. The bearing is good. Yeah, this bearing looks good. Okay, so I will clean the armature a little bit, but just with the paper. Okay, let's check, and of course, as you can see, we have a lot of dust here. Probably something was touching the switch and not letting it go forward. We have the dirt on the contacts here. Okay, so what can we do? We can blow it up with a compressed air. Maybe I need to do that, or we can lift the hammering case, I think, out. This one, maybe this one, yeah, it's with the wires maybe. Okay, so I will blow it out with the compressed air and back for the switch. Okay, I have cleaned it with the compressed air, and now the switch goes easily. So, okay, assembling it back. Okay, the armature, I will blow it out with the compressed air. Looks cleaner now. It was the small piece of metal here, so it just go out. Okay, and I need to insert everything back, assemble it, test it, and give it back to the customer. Okay, let's make sure that it switches. Okay, so that's good, and you can see that was easy repair. Basically, you have just pulled the trigger up to let the knob go to from the one side to another, and now it's just moving, and we can use it again. So thank you for watching. Bye.